What's good? We're back with another new video today. Sorry I missed last week's upload. I was just busy with some other things going on in my life, but today we have a dark Cubeatz future style sample breakdown and then beat that I made. I'll start with breaking down the sample first and then do the beat afterwards, but yeah, let's just get into this breakdown. So yeah, you know, we got the purple vibes today, Pluto. So yeah, this is what the final loop sounds like, and then I'll break down the individual sounds. So yeah, super hard. Definitely Pluto future vibes. So yeah, final samples pitched up one from the original sounds, but let's get into these individually. And actually this whole loop was made using just one shots, Origins demo, producer crate, prod lucky, super fire. This is just the demo kit, this isn't even the full kit. So the first sound was this pad. It's called Sanctum. This is the pattern. This is what it sounds like. First, what I did was just a minor triad and then brought up the middle note, and then just started filling in notes from there. But yeah, so this is just a A sharp minor and then a sharp sus chord, and then I just inverted it, and then I just added some kind of filler notes, whatever I thought sounded good, just keeping in the scale. But let's change this to this. So yeah, just kept all the notes in the scale. And then once I had this first pattern here, just copied it over and brought it up 5 semitones. Really give it that kind of Cubeatz vibe. For effects, we have EQ, just taking out some of the harsh frequencies, Juno chorus from Arturia, probably my go-to chorus plugin, just deep chorus with the mix turned up a little bit, rev intensity reverb on the falling preset, another Arturia plugin, just another EQ to take out some of the lows and shape it a little bit more, but with no effects. So that just sounds pretty harsh, and then with effects, so yeah, just kind of drowns it out a little bit. And then second sound, just layered the exact same MIDI progression with this bell. Very subtle, again, from the Origins demo kit. So yeah, it's literally just the same pattern. And then for effects, we actually have the exact same effect chain as the first one, since I'm just layering the sound. But yeah, this one sounds like this. Next sound is this flute. This is the Matter flute. And you can hear it panning from left to right because I have, you see me use this plugin a lot, Pancake from Cable Guys. This is the pattern. And then for effects, just have an EQ, taking out some frequencies, shaping it, and then a reverb, just to wash it out a little bit. And then, as I mentioned before, auto pan. The next sound I added was this bass, I believe, split bass, almost like a Reese bass. But yeah, these are just following the root notes of the chords, and then a couple changes just at the end for some variation, some slide notes, but I'll play it just to show what it sounds like. So next we have another bell sound. This one is the preach bell, and this pattern sounds like this. Just an A sharp minor triad, and then just filling in notes in the scale that complement the other sounds. And for effects on this, it's the exact same effects chain as the main pad and the bell. So everything is meshing together nicely, and then just have some velocity changes. So it's not static, hitting the same velocity every time. Once I had all of these, I just stemmed them out to audio, and then the last thing I added was this texture from the Aurora producer grind kit, and it's just like a vinyl. It's very subtle, just in the background. Rendered it and then pitched it up 1 semitone. So yeah, let's get into the drums. Alright, so this is what beat sounds like.
Hey, Cole going crazy.
First thing, obviously drag the sample in, and then I pitched it up 3 semitones, and then I also sped it up from 140 to 153. All of these drum sounds are from the Drum Demon 2 demo kit from Lucky as well. So he did the drums and the one-shot kit, everything made by Prod Lucky. This guy, super fire. So yeah, snare pattern. Hi-hat pattern. I feel like I went a little bit crazy on this hi-hat pattern compared to what I normally would do. This pattern sounds like this. .808. So yeah, this is just following the root notes of the progression, accent, snare. Open hat. And then another hat that just hits on the 1 just to give it some nice crunch. transition effects to help lead into the next section. And then I'll actually break down what I did for this part right here. So it's like a tremolo effect. And what I did for that, mixing channel for the sample, have a gross beat, half beat gate, and then that's what gives it that kind of stutter effect. And then just create an automation clip, right click on this knob, create automation clip, and then this will pop up down here, and then you just pick where you want it to happen. So obviously off for this part, and then it turns on at the end. That's pretty much it for the beat. This is again what it sounds like.
Hey, Cole going crazy.
So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you like this, if you learned something, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. But before we go, I did just drop my Serenity Trap Soul R&B loop kit for free. So make sure you go download that. It's linked in the description. But yeah, decided to drop it for free. So go get that. And if you make anything with it, send it back to me. I'd love to hear what you guys make. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Peace.